Good morning and Jai Hind students. So in this video we will discuss about various system of units adopted earlier and what is the present system of unit we have adopted. Earlier we have discussed about fundamental unit or basic units and the derived unit. So in this video we will discuss about system of units. So there are mainly four system of units: CGS, FPS, MKS and SI. So what about CGS system? Here C represent centimeter, that is for length. These three words CGS, FPS, MKS, they denote the basic three basic unit that were adopted earlier. That means length, mass, time. So for C is a centimeter and it is the unit of length. Gram is the unit of mass, and second is the unit of time. So it was set up in France. It is based on the centimeter, gram, second as the fundamental units of length, mass and time respectively. Now for FPS system. So as FPS system was started by British system. Here F stands for foot and it is a unit of length. P stands for pound and it is the unit of mass. S stands for second. So it is a British system based on the foot, pound and second as the fundamental units of length, mass and time respectively. Now here comes the third system, that is MKS system. It is also a French system based on meter, kilogram, second as the fundamental units of length, mass and time respectively. So M stands for meter for length, K stands for kilogram, that is for weight or mass, S stands for second. So this is also a French system, but it was found that the units that were adopted that vary from place to place. Mks system was for France only and FPS system was for Britishers. So it was very difficult for trading as well as for understanding also. So there was a need of some international system that can be adopted internationally. So a new system was developed, that is the international system of unit. It is a metric system of unit consisting of 7 base quantities that are length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamic temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity and 2 supplementary units, plane angle and solid angle. Here are the SI units: 7 length, meter. It was discussed earlier in the video also: mass, kilogram, temperature Kelvin, time second, amount of substance mole, luminous intensity candela, electric current ampere, and 2 supplementary unit that are here: plane angle. Plane angle we measure in radian and solid angle we measure in a steradian. The difference between plane angle and the solid angle is that plane angle is 2D and solid angle is 3D. So we can say what are the advantages of SI system over the other systems. So it is a coherent system of unit. It implies a system based on a certain set of fundamental units from which all derived units are obtained by multiplication or division without introducing numerical factor. So it is a coherent system of unit, which means it has a certain set of basic units from which all other units can be derived. Second, its advantages is SI is a rational system of unit as it assigns only one unit to be particular physical quantity. For example, joule is the unit of all types of energy. So for one quantity here is only one unit. This is not so in other system of units. Third advantage is SI is an absolute system of unit. There are no gravitational systems on the unit. This uses factor G is thus eliminated. So it is absolute system. There are no gravitational units. So gravitational mass, kgf, etc. was eliminated. SI is a metric system. So here we multiply the any unit to convert it into another unit by simply the powers of 10. For example, to convert kilometer into meter, we just multiplied by 1000. To change meter into centimeter, we just multiply by 100, that means 10 raised to power 2. So that's why it is a metric system of units. And fifth one is the in current electricity, absolute units of SI like ampere for temperature, volt for potential difference, ohm for resistance, Henry for inductance, farad for capacity, and so on. So all the units are explained in this current electricity. So the absolute units of current is ampere is used, and using the basic unit, that is ampere, we can derive all the other quantities. So these are the basic advantages of SI system that we have adopted. So hopefully you have understood the topic. Go through the topic and ask if you have any doubt personally, or you may comment in comment section also. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.